Pigging technology involves the use of a pig, a specialized device that is inserted into pipelines to clean, inspect, or maintain them, often without interrupting the flow of materials. Originally developed for the oil and gas industry, pigging has since found applications in various sectors, including food and beverage, household plumbing, water treatment, and cosmetics. The technology helps improve efficiency, reduce waste, and prolong the lifespan of pipelines by maintaining their cleanliness and structural integrity. The pigging process starts by introducing a pig into a pipeline, powered either by the pressure of the fluid moving through the pipe or by external forces like compressed air or water. The pig travels along the pipe, performing various tasks depending on its design. Pigs are typically designed to fit tightly within the pipeline, allowing them to clean residues, separate products, or inspect for damage. Modern pigging devices are often equipped with sensors to monitor pipeline conditions in real time, increasing the overall efficiency of maintenance operations. Pigs are manufactured from a variety of materials depending on the type of pipeline and the intended function. Common materials include polyurethane, rubber, and even metal for specialized applications. Cleaning pigs are usually made of soft, flexible materials like foam or rubber, with scraping elements such as brushes or blades attached to remove debris and buildup. Inspection pigs are more complex, often made with durable materials like metal or high-strength plastic to house sensitive electronics, sensors, and data storage systems. These pigs need to withstand high pressure and extreme temperatures, especially in industries like oil and gas. Separation pigs are generally composed of lightweight but durable materials, ensuring that they can efficiently push products through the pipeline while maintaining separation without damaging the pipes. The manufacturing process of pigs involves a combination of molding, machining, and assembling to ensure they meet the specific needs of the pipelines they will operate in. Each pig is custom built for the pipeline's size, material, and shape, which is why manufacturers offer a range of pigging products designed for various industries and applications. Cleaning pigs, used to clear out debris, buildup, or contaminants from the inside of pipelines. Inspection pigs, equipped with advanced sensors to detect pipeline defects such as corrosion, cracks, and leaks. Separation pigs, used to separate different products within the same pipeline, preventing contamination when switching between different fluids. Utility pigs, multi-purpose pigs designed to perform a combination of cleaning, inspection, and separation tasks. In recent years, pigging technology has evolved with the integration of advanced sensors, making it even more efficient and effective. These sensors provide real-time data and enable better pipeline maintenance and monitoring. Magnetic flux sensors are used to detect metal loss, corrosion, and wall thinning in the pipeline. Magnetic fields are used to measure changes in the pipeline material, and any deviation from normal readings indicates potential issues that need attention. Ultrasonic sensors emit high-frequency sound waves to detect cracks, dents, and other structural anomalies in the pipeline walls. The ultrasonic waves bounce back when they encounter irregularities, providing precise information about the pipeline's condition. For long, buried, or offshore pipelines, pigs equipped with inertial navigation systems can provide precise location data without relying on GPS. This allows operators to pinpoint the exact location of any detected faults, enabling faster and more efficient repairs. Pressure and temperature sensors are used to monitor the pipeline's internal conditions, identifying pressure drops or temperature changes that could signal blockages, leaks, or inefficiencies in the flow of materials. By incorporating these sensors, inspection pigs have transformed from simple mechanical tools to high-tech devices capable of collecting a vast amount of data. This not only ensures safer and reliable pipeline operations, but also reduces the time and cost associated with maintenance by enabling predictive repairs and minimizing downtime. Let us see some key industrial use cases of these pigs. Pigging remains essential for cleaning pipelines to prevent blockages caused by wax or scale buildup, reducing risks, and enhancing operational efficiency. In oil and gas, sensor-equipped pigs are used to monitor pipeline integrity, detecting any weaknesses before they lead to leaks or ruptures, thus preventing costly and dangerous environmental disasters. Pigs are crucial for separating different products in multi-use pipelines, ensuring that it stocks transported products like crude oil and refined petroleum do not mix. Pigging is widely used to clear out pipelines in food processing, ensuring minimal product waste, especially when handling high-value ingredients like syrups or dairy products. Pigs help recover leftover product in pipes, reducing wastage and increasing overall production efficiency, contributing to more sustainable operations. When switching between different product lines, pigs efficiently clean the pipelines to prevent contamination and maintain product quality. Pigging tools used in household plumbing can remove blockages from drains and water pipes, keeping them functional without the need for harsh chemicals or disassembly. Advanced pigging tools used in home plumbing systems can identify leaks and other pipeline issues, ensuring timely repairs and reducing water waste. Pigging is commonly employed in water treatment plants to clear out biofilms, scale, and other debris from pipelines, ensuring uninterrupted water flow. Sensor-equipped inspection pigs help detect structural weaknesses or leaks in aging water pipelines, ensuring that these vital systems remain safe and reliable. Pigs are used to push residual products out of the pipes, particularly in manufacturing viscous products like lotions or creams, thus reducing material wastage. Pigging ensures that production lines remain hygienic, reducing the need for water-intensive cleaning processes and preventing cross-contamination between different products. Thank you for watching this video. I'll catch up with you in another exciting video soon. Until then, goodbye and take care.